Hey besties, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about. And yes, girl, we're talking about concealers. So Beauty Creation came out with some Flawless Stay concealers. So you guys already know the OG foundation we love, very full coverage. So I was super excited. They did send over the entire PR. I'm going to be incorporating a couple of shades. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys love it. I feel like very flawless. Like, I'm like, whoa. I feel like full coverage right now. But excuse my hair. It's a little wet, but I just wanted to get this video up ASAP. So I'm so excited to show you guys the concealers. I'm so happy that they came out with some concealers because, girl. So I did use a bunch of their products today. So kind of nothing but their products on the face. Sorry if it comes in and out. My kids were kind of loud, so I had to like mute some stuff. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give your girl a like. If you guys want to see all about these new concealers, then let's just keep on watching. All right, so we're super excited because Beauty Creation came out with some concealers. You guys already know the Flawless Stay foundation is the bomb. Full coverage. They came out with some concealers, guys. Like, I am so freaking hyped. Okay, a little suitcase like this. So cute. And then right here's all the concealers. It came with the sponge. I'll show you guys right here in a little minute. And then 2 brushes. So I did do a like eyebrow tutorial, and I cleaned up my brows with the shade 13. And yeah, so I'm so excited. Look at this little flyer. Let me read you guys the claim. So it's secretly concealed and visibly flawless. Period. Color corrector. So there's color correctors. It's long wear, creaseless formula, multi-use, and blurs imperfections. Okay. So I am so excited. I am so happy that it came with the brushes. This is one of the brushes. I did use it, so it looks a little dirty, but it's like a little flat concealer brush. I'm going to apply the Flawless Stay foundation, and I'm going to be in the shade 8. I think I'm in the shade 8. I'll see. If I need to be lighter, I'll work something out. But this is a shade 8.0. Alright, so the first shade that I'm going to be using, it is the orange one, okay? So we're going to be color correcting, and you guys can see a little goes a long way. I kind of put too much, but we're going to blend that out, and yeah, we're just going to put in the areas where I feel like I have like darkness. So that's what it does, conceals darkness. So I look crazy, but I'll be right back. So a little goes a long way with this foundation, and I am going to be using their sponge right here. It just looks like this, very nice and soft. I'm obsessed with it. I love how full coverage this is. So we're going to blend that out real quick. So again, this is 8.0. We're not going to apply it under the eyes really, to be honest. Here. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Really good. So I had to use the foundation because for the review, gotta have the full review. So we're going to take the color, hold on, C12, is that too light? Hold on, I'm going to swatch it. Number 14. Let's use the color 12. Let's see how it looks. Oh, she's light. I think it does oxidize a little bit. I do like a light contour or like highlight to look a little light right here. Here goes nothing. Okay, let's go in with a little bit of 11. Okay. So it blends out really nicely. So I added a little bit more, but do you guys see how nice it looks? It's blending out very nicely. I'm not having any trouble with it. It's not drying at all. So we love that. But again, we're gonna be contouring, okay? I like how the sponge is. It's like a little piquito over here, like pointed. And it's perfect for the under eye area. But girl, it looks really, really good. What do you guys think? Okay, so we are going to be taking a little bit of the shade 23, and it looks like this. I love the packaging, you guys. It's very sleek, very nice. It has the rose gold and the clear right here. Let's see her. I'm going to apply it, dot it. So these are areas that I'm applying it to. So I'll be right back. I know I look crazy, but yeah. Okay, so trust the process. We're going to be powdering our face right now. Okay, so yeah, just trust the process. We do look a little crazy first, but it's all good. Alright, so we used the powder, the Beauty Creations powder in the shade 9.0 all over the face, well, the T-zone. For the lips, I did use Beauty Creations lip liner in times the Murillo Twins with B. Bella's lipstick in the shade Flexin, which is such a bomb combo, period. I don't know if I should use like some, you know, gloss or whatever, but let's put some gloss. So this color is in Enough Said. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I honestly love the concealers. They look very seamless. They were easy, super easy to blend. And yeah, you guys, I am love. I think I'm going to use a different contour shade next time. But nonetheless, everything worked out super good, like with all my other products. I hope you guys like it. Let me know down below, what did you guys pick up, what shade you guys picked up, or what part did you like. Let me know. So before you guys head out, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give your girl a like. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye guys.